What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. In today's video, I have great news and no bad news. We're here with, obviously, the one and only
Isaac!
Yeah, guys, it's been such a long time. I don't know. Guys,
It's been 2 months, bro. It's actually been 2 months, bro.
It's been so long since I made a random comedy video. We're checking out the new fishing update. I already made a video, but this time we're gonna go inside the fish's mouth. But I'm the owl.
Alright, by the way, let's just start the video. Let's just start.
Yeah. Anyways, like always, I'm gonna bring. Do we need a backpack? What's this guy doing? Do we need a backpack?
Mommy says you're my vegetables.
Hey, please don't do that to me. I don't like to get hit. Pause. Yo, what? Who just burped?
Robbie, get these. Get these. Yeah, I could buy the radioactive.
Radioactive? Nah. Let's just.
Look, Robbie, here.
Buy the best fishing rod.
That's my best one. That's a radioactive. Oh wait, I forgot to get a grappler.
Up.
Hold on, wait for me.
No. Look at this thing, little one. Did I just kill that thing?
There you go.
I killed some.
I'm ready.
Let's go.
Yo, Robbie. Go.
Yo, what's up?
Look, be careful with these things. These can't kill you.
What things?
That
That was just invisible. Yo, why is it invisible for me?
That said it's slow, bro.
Oh no. I can see them.
Holy.
Espera
Battery percent.
1 battery percent?
No, 14.
They
It's very
won't
good.
charge it.
I like what I'm doing. Let's just. Hi, Connor. Oh, shit, I went all the way down.
Yo, let's
Wait, you
fish
can
here.
swim with that thing.
Yo, let's fish here. Let's fish a few fish in here.
Okay. Get in the boat.
Wait.
Okay. It's just fart.
Oh yeah, good fishing bar.
Oh, hooked. Fight. Let's go. Now that's a good one.
What'd you get? What
Yeah,
is
look what I
that?
got.
A radio? What does it say? 600?
You don't know the company like I do, man. It's
Move.
whatever you believe it is,
Yeah.
bro.
Bro,
That's what it. That's what it
You're
is.
flashbanging
They
me.
got you. Whatever.
Isaac!
They do whatever. Nothing
you
is
were
real.
flashbanging.
Let's get that thing. Alright. 3, 2, 1. Will you a bit too much? Mi bomba clap.
Yo, that was so fun.
Yeah, I wish I had his. I wish.
Turn off your turn off your backpack. Turn off your backpack.
Oh look. Nah, pretty, isn't it?
What if we needed
Okay,
that?
that's a good spot. I ain't like, bro.
Turn off. You're blinding my. No. Dash
Okay,
right
one more-
into our boxes,
One more fish
Amanda.
and then we're out. One more fish and then we're
Hooked.
we're out of here. Okay, hooked, fight. Oh shoot. Now that's a fighter. That's a fighter. Yo!
What'd you get?
Yo!
What'd you get?
Look! Oh my gosh, you won't believe it. Yo, look! Oh my god!
Yo!
Yo, is this rare?
No.
I put it. Okay, let's get moving. Wait. Yo, there's no way.
Never gonna give you up. Never gonna let you down.
Robbie, come on, bro.
Come on, bro.
Hold up.
Come on, bro. Okay, let's go.
Bro.
I mean,
Oh my gosh.
come on, bro. How did you get hit?
I got rickrolled in Animal Company. Where do we go? Up or down?
Oh,
Robbie, that's the hard part. Oh my gosh. Look.
Yo, that's the title
that's Robbie,
screen.
be
What, the
careful
heck?
with these things, bro.
What do they do? Isaac, what do they do?
They end your life, bro. They kill you.
How? Wait for me!
They just one-shot you.
He's coming!
Follow me, Robbie.
Follow me. Let's go there. Fastest freak boy. Let's go.
Robbie, come.
Is that? Wait.
We went to the butthole. We went to the butthole. This is called the Megalodon map.
There's nothing else we can do?
Yeah, there's nothing else you can do. All you do is just fish.
Weird. Right now we go up the butthole again and then go back.
So we're going to the butthole again.
Yeah, we're gonna go outside.
Wait, Robbie, do you know bro, you know there's a secret in that map? Like not in this map. Like there's a little tank. That there's a secret map
Oh, in the
where you put the
butthole.
fishes. No, not the butthole. The little fish, like near
the
the
tank.
lobby. Yeah,
I
where you
did
put
my
your
last
fishes.
fish before I leave. Move, turn off your flashlight. Cool. You. This is so rare. You don't. Oh, no, that's not even rare.
That was so close.
How
Wait,
rare
Robbie.
is it? It's 2 stars. But, like I said,
So
like always, guys,
it went down.
peace.